I'm so excited. Today's potato harvest day. I've got 4 buckets of potatoes that I planted about 100 days ago. Planted them on March 15th, just before St. Patrick's Day. And today's July 2nd. We're gonna overturn these 4 buckets, seeing what we did for potatoes. Here it is. First potato. These look like white potatoes. I started these with starters from Home Depot. First potato. So 24 potatoes from the first bucket. That was 3 starters from the Home Depot. Oh, here it is. Tag. Potato red and white. Oh, look at these beauties. I have red and white potatoes coexisting in the same bucket. This truly is a mixed bag. This is the last bucket for today. This is gonna be the one with the big payoff. I'm gonna get more than 24 potatoes. I can just feel it. Oh, these are white potatoes. It's a little dry. Oh, did I say that there were white potatoes in here? Because I've got red potatoes. Ah, look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's beautiful. Look at the potatoes in here. Look at them. Look, potatoes. So 4 buckets of potatoes. Looks like I have about 100 potatoes total. Maybe, I don't know, 20 pounds. So if I were to go to the grocery store, I would spend probably $3, $6, $9, $12 on those potatoes. Spent way more than that just on the grow buckets. So, yeah. Overall, I'm really pleased. I'm pleased with the soil. I'm pleased with the grow buckets. I'm pleased that all the potatoes look good. Nothing looks like it's spoiled. Nothing's green. Not mushy. So first attempt at growing potatoes,